Are you in Finland as a tourist right now? Beautiful. If you love the place and started dreaming to turning your visits into a Finland work visa, let me welcome you with open arms because you are watching the right video. Hi, I'm Max from the Visa Library. Let's change that Finland visitor visa and get a work permit. Like, subscribe, and let's get it started. This transition involves several steps. Let me show you. Step 1. Check your eligibility. Make sure you are eligible to work in Finland. You need a valid job offer from a Finnish employer that matches your qualifications, proof of sufficient financial means, health insurance coverage for your estate, compliance with immigration and labor laws, a clear criminal record, and adherence to specific permit requirements. Step 2. Apply for a job. If you haven't already secured a job in Finland, start by searching for job opportunities. Once you get one, it's essential to obtain a contract from your prospective employer, which will be required for the work permit application. Step 3. Prepare the required documents. Gather all the necessary documents for your work permit application. These typically include a signed employment contract with your prospective employer, a valid passport with at least 6 months of validity, a proof of financial means to support yourself during your stay, proof of health insurance coverage, a criminal record certificate, recent passport size photos, and complete the work permit application form provided by the Migri or the nearest Finnish embassy or consulate. Step 4. Pay the application fee. Now, basically, you must be prepared to pay the required application fees. These fees can vary, so check the current fee on the Migri website or contact the nearest Finnish embassy. Step 5. Submit the application. You should submit your work permit application to the Finnish Immigration Service or Migri or the nearest Finnish embassy or consulate. Let's see. Ensure that you have collected all the required documents. I talked about them. So, Migri offers both online and in-person application submission options. Depending on your location and convenience, you can choose the one that suits you best. For online applications, you can also use Migri's online e-service platform. Create an account on the Migri website, fill out the online application form, upload the necessary documents, and pay the application fee electronically. Make sure your application is complete and accurate before submission. Alright, for in-person applications, you can visit the Migri service point in Finland. Bring all the required documents, including your completed application form and payments for the application fee. You may need to schedule an appointment in advance, so check the Migri for the specific requirements at the time of your application. Next, you need to pay the required application fee as specified by Migri. The fee may vary, so be sure to check the latest fee on the Migri website or ask at the service points. The processing times can vary significantly. Now, some applications may be processed quickly, but other ones may take several weeks or even months. Be patient during this period and be prepared for potential delays. Sorry, but it happens. If your application is approved, congratulations, you will receive a residence permit card, which is your legal proof to work in Finland. If your application is denied, sorry, but you will receive a written explanation of the decision, including any appeal options. One thing, depending on your nationality and specific requirements at the time, you may be required to provide biometric data such as fingerprints at the designated visa application center or the embassy. Step 6. Residence permits. When your work permit is approved, you will typically receive a residence permit along with it. This residence permit allows you to stay and work in Finland for the duration of your work contract. You must carry this permit with you at all times as proof of your legal status in the country. Step 7. Change of status. The approval of your residence permit effectively changes your immigration status from a tourist to a worker in Finland. This means you can begin working. It's important to adhere to the conditions and rules associated with your work permits. Step 8. Register with the local authorities. Following the change of your status, you may need to register your residence with the local police department or relevant authorities. Your employer or a local liaison can often guide you through the registration process. Step 9. Renewal. You want to do that, don't you? Work permits and residence permits in Finland are often issued for a specific period, typically for the length of your employment contract. You must be aware of the expiration date of your permits and initiate the renewal process well in advance. Renewal requirements can vary, so consult Migri or your employer for guidance on renewing your permits. So, there you have it. Now you can convert your Finland tourist visa into a work permit. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Seize your opportunity, my friends, and make your dream a reality. Thank you all for watching.